Gedlembane, can I have this?
Thank you, Mr. Aknak.
Okay, I'm Sergeant Aknak Pruuuu.
Okay.
And I'm interviewing you to be a police detective, isn't it?
Yes, I came for that, yes.
Okay, so why do you want to be a police detective?
Very good question. And my grandfather at home used to be used to have a big position under the force of police, yes.
Okay.
And my color is, my grandfather used to be this color, and I'm also that color, so I think that position will be fit for me now. Yes.
Okay. So are you a comrade or something?
What? Pardon?
Are you a comrade?
Oh, Mr. Aknak, don't ask me something that is obvious. This is my head. You can see. You can see. I'm the one who is leading them, not a comrade. The one that is leading.
But we don't want to hire any comrades here. We don't hire comrades.
That was a joke, Mr. Aknak. This hat does not belong to me. It belongs to my uncle. Just because I was walking under the sun, he said that my nephew, take this one to shelter yourself, so that when you come to the interview, you might not find yourself darker and darker. Yes.
Okay. But we don't hire comrades, so I hope you're not a comrade.
No.
Okay,
no.
so
I want to be police straight, not comrade.
Where did you complete your police training?
Myself?
Yes, your police training. Where did you complete it?
In the primary. So, my friends, they used to, when I walk, they say, do you walk like a police? So anything that, any movement of myself, they say, I'm a straight police.
So you completed your police training in primary?
Yes. Well, I know everything about police. One thing that is left is to hire me, for you to hire me. I know everything. Even this, left, right. You can't tell me.
Do you have any experience at all, like with this police work?
Experience?
Yes. In the police work, do you have experience in the police work?
I have too much experience. I have too much. So, okay, let me
What kind of experience do you have?
Okay, let me tell you. In 2011, I started securating in Manzini, you see. Then in 2018, I was promoted to securate in Babane under the what? Yes, a big company. Yes, a big company. From some, we were taking things from. I was focusing on the dark things. Yes, I was the one who make sure that no one get in and take all the goods. You see. So I was secreting under that company, and I was promoted.
So what?
Mr. Daniel, under the name of Mr. Daniel Rapamziopi. He was so like you. He was not a brother.
No. So I want to know why were you circulating the whole country? Why were you circulating the whole country? I want to know what experience you have. You're telling me you're circulating.
Okay, let me put it in this way so that I can see that we are not getting to the same level. I was not circulating. I was hired as a security.
Oh, okay, now I get you.
Yes, that's why I said I was securating in Manzini, and I also promoted to securate in Babane. And I was also thinking to be secreted in Zuluin.
Okay, do you know what a job of a detective is and what is expected of you when you're a detective?
I know exactly.
What is expected of you as a detective?
Obvious criminals.
What about criminals?
Those, oh, Mr. Aknak, those packers who cocaine, yes, cocaine, okay. Those who are looting, yes.
Okay, I
yes.
like.
Some they even brand their t-shirts, Slutagwasan.
Okay, no, I like all your answers.
Yes.
Yeah, there's just one more thing.
Okay.
I am gay.
No. You can bring it. My game, any game we can play.
No, I am gay. I'm gay.
Oh, I don't be careful about that one. You are gay.
Do you understand what I mean?
I'm married. Don't put me there. I didn't know, Mr. Aknak. I was not thinking we can reach here.
I'm married too.
I'm expecting jobs here.
I'm married too. I have a husband at home. I was not telling you this to ask you out. I was just wanting to find out if this would be a problem for you in the department that I'm gay. That's all I want to know. I'm not asking you out.
Oh, okay. It's for yourselves. No, we can continue. There's not a problems with me and myself.
Really?
Yeah. Me, I'm not. If you want, I can name this. There are so many guys that came. Yes, I don't want to talk about this one because I know what at the end of the day that they make when they are inside.
Okay, no problem. If you say so, then that's fine. Let me sort out some paperwork. I'll be back. No?
Okay. You are promising me, though we are.
No, let me just sort it out. I'll be back and I'll let you know.
Oh, okay.
Just sit tight.
Thank you.
Sit tight. I'll be back.
But I can feel, yes, I can feel. Yeah. The job is mine. Yeah. Mfana baba, bhuti wami akusini bhuti. Ngiyakufikela mina. Nam. Oh, bhuti njalo kungisho ukuthi
lana.
Ngiyafike namuhla mfana baba ngisangaba ngisineliphoyisa mina. Buphi bhuti?
Vula ngilidrowa lapho kufuneka bengipikiya lapho.
La.
Yebo vula lapho.
Ebhuti letikhiyo ukuthi ngitithathe nyalo noma
ngifuna ukuvula lana shesha. Wona njani manje ukuthisela lapho?
Okay, ngiyathatha bhuti wami ngiyathatha. Sawufile bhuti. Awufile. Uthi sawufile. Mangabe uyachance ucabatha la kwento wakho umdlalo wemoya lokho lasihloko sawufile. Ngithi sawufile. Hey. Sawufile mina ke. Bhuti wami ngithi sawufile. Umuntu nababa. Mnethu. Bhuti. Yes,
Bhuti uyifuna tikhiya tala.
Bhuti wami osiyami ngicela chaza.
Lo ngenyanyisa wena manje.
Umlungu nami angenyanyise mina. Lo mphatho lapho. Kakhulu. Bhuti besingaba infoyinye mhlambe besingendi plug. Ngiyangisina mina. Yabona. Ngitiyeli yena mina. Yabona.
Okay, Officer Poloni.
Mr. Yes, this one is trying to. Yes! How many times I'm going to tell you the same thing? He's trying to escape. You will never hear. I'm not here for jokes.
Okay, Gedlembane. This is Officer Poloni. It was all a test. Have a seat. It was all a test.
Yes.
He's a police. We wanted to see how you're going to react. It was all a test. So.
But let me get some water.
You can have a seat.
My heart is so much powerful now.
I'll explain to you what I
don't do this again.
No problem. Officer Poloni, you can go get changed the police uniform.
Mr. Poloni, why? Why, Mr. Poloni? If I roll down and die and my children will do what to you? Not this way. Not this way, Mr. Poloni, Mr. Aknak.
Okay.
I nearly died.
Okay, Detective Gedlembane. I mean, you're not a detective yet. So it was all a test to see how you would react to the situation. And obviously, I am not happy you did not handle the situation at all. As I noticed, I didn't see your police training there at all. And I don't understand why the gun was upside down. What was that?
No. Sorry for not doing it well. But the test was too much for me. I nearly fainted and collapsed and died same day delivered.
I don't understand why the gun was upside down. Why was the gun like this? Because the gun is supposed to be like this. Why was it like this?
Okay, let me tell you the true story about the misunderstanding of the position of the gun. Why does security in Baban, we were not using this gun. Yes, this is not the type 1. We're using the Stry. Yes, once upon a time there was another thief who was trying to enter inside, yet it was me who won the shoot. And the boss is going to, he's believing that when there is me, everything won't go away. When the thief tried to enter inside, I take the spy and boosted him here. Equality is the method, and he was about to hands up.
No, I think you failed. I think you failed the test, like you completely failed, but the good news for you is that I will hire you as a detective.
Yes! 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 Mr. Aknak, yes!
Now, don't be too excited because the captain is on my ass about hiring you detective since he promoted me to sergeant. So I obviously don't want to hire anyone, but I see that it'll be not a problem to fire you as quick as I hired you because, but that's fine. You got the job. We'll just teach you how to use the gun, and that's fine.
Yes.
Officer Poloni, where are you?
Yes. It will be just a polish up because a gun is straightforward to me. It's just a polish.
Yes, sir. Call for me, sir.
Yes, so we just need to teach him how to use the gun. Hold on, let me give you your things. Can you hand me the gun there? So Detective Gedlembane, there you go.
Okay, thank you.
That's your badge?
Yes.
Do you know what that is?
Yes,
give me the small
it's
gun.
obvious it's a badge. Thank you for the badge. Yes.
What do you do with this badge? Do you know what you do with this badge?
Yes, sometimes when I camouflage it, maybe I'm not wearing the uniform, I camouflage it. Once upon a time, maybe I see a thief was trying to make maybe selling some dark. Then he said, produce that you are actually police. Then I'll say, no, you are arrested.
Okay, that's your gun. That's your gun.
Oh, that is my gun.
Yeah, but we need to teach you how to use it. So you need to before. If you don't do this well, I'll take the gun away from you because you need to shoot this man.
I'll make sure. He's just a police shop. I know it can.
Just hold this one. I'll find you guys outside.
Okay, thank you, Mr.
Officer
Aknak.
Poloni, just take him to the place where we're going to show him how to use the gun.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Okay. So, Detective Gedlembane, you're going to be shooting at that target.
Oh, we're targeting which one?
You must hit that target in the middle or in the head.
Okay.
You see that?
Okay.
You must shoot there.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you now how.
So,
I'm going to show you. Well, let me not shoot at it. I'll just shoot randomly that side.
Okay.
Just to show you how you fire, and then he will show you how to shoot it also.
Okay. Let me surprise you. I will be using this one.
No, this one is yours.
He wants the big one.
This one
It's
is
like
yours.
myself, I'm big about this age, but anyway, it's a job. Okay.
So hold on. Let me just. I want
Okay.
to show you how to do it.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay. Just looking.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's how you fire it.
Okay.
You can also show him.
No problem. I can.
Let him also show you with the small gun.
Okay.
This one of mine, you preach it. Like
Okay.
this.
Okay.
Then you aim. You see the hand, you use the hand to support.
Okay.
You cannot fall back.
So you don't
Yes.
hold the gun like this with both hands.
Oh, yes.
You don't hold like this.
You don't do like this,
Okay, it's only,
like this.
but
And
once,
even use one
once
hand.
you are used to it, then you can at any time.
Yeah. And if you keep your hand like this, only if you want to shoot is here.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So go ahead and
Thank you. It's obvious.
go ahead and shoot the target.
Okay.
No, you
Okay.
shoot, sir.
Let me hold
my
the
phone. Okay, can I take this one?
Just hold here.
Yes, not
Hold it there.
yini lesayifuna kimi phela ngoba washo wathi angisi-type yakho yini lesayitsingile kimi just because ngimqasho sengibhayisa ngena sengibuyela ngiyi-type yakho no hayi phela hayi khoshe emaposeni